Okay, good afternoon guys. Today I am proud to present to you my unboxing of my first 2-in-1 laptop. This one come from Lenovo, the Yoga 9i series. I bought it locally for $999, the base spec version with 1-year warranty, 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage. This version comes with a cosmic blue color, which is very interesting and look very cool personally. The packaging include the original slim pen and the Lenovo 14-inch laptop sleeve. Okay, let's look around the box. Okay, I think there's nothing around here, so let's unbox it. Here. Wow. Okay, here is another nothing else. Here is the laptop up, and what else is inside the box? Here I think this is the laptop sleeve. And this one, I think there is a charger up. Let's see. Okay, here you go. This is, I think it's 65 watt. Here is, you can see the 65 watt charger. Here the other one is the type C one. Okay, and then the connection to the electrical outlet. Okay, the charger. Here is the laptop sleeve. Let's unbox it. Okay, here you can see there is Yoga logo. I think this is the slot for the pen. Okay, there is no real cover. Okay, you slide your laptop in and that's it. Okay, it also the blue one, so it match the color with the laptop, which is very nice. Okay, let's unbox the laptop. Okay, here it is. Here is the laptop itself. Okay. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the packaging is always premium from Lenovo. Here there's no other things. Okay, here is the pen, the original Lenovo slim pen. The pen is okay, is slim. There is Lenovo logo. There is 2 buttons here. Okay, let's put it aside. Okay, and that's all. The packaging feel very good. Okay, so here is the laptop. Okay, it's light. Okay. Okay guys, I will provide you the specification of this laptop to the right side of this video. You can pause the video if you wish to read it. Okay, the laptop feel very premium at 135 kilogram. It is slightly heavier than my MacBook Air M1. Okay, but but the dimension is very similar. As you can see, it's just slightly bigger and slightly thicker. Okay. Okay, but you can quickly see that the aspect ratio is the same, which is very nice for me. Okay, it is a 2-in-1 format, so the hinge is rotatable. You can see here is the hinge. Okay, let's open it, or even rotate it up. Wow, Okay. Okay, as you can see, when you touch the string, the hinge is strong. There is almost no wobble. Okay, which is nice for me. Okay, and the main gem of this laptop is the Intel Meteo series. The Core Ultra 7 155H that has a 16 core in total and clock maximum at 4.8 GHz with Intel 8 core arc graphic, which is around, I think, 40% faster than the Iris Xe that you've seen in a lot of laptops in the last several years. I think it is enough for light 1080p gaming. Okay, it has 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which is fine enough for everyday tasks or even light gaming or editing video. This is the base model with a 1 TB of NVMe Gen 4 storage. Sadly, the SSD I think is the 2242 format. It is a strange for short one. It is the short one, so you have to be careful if you wish to update it. I think it is from Samsung, but I would be a lot happier if they use the common 2280 SSD in here. This laptop has a very nice keyboard, but as always, you already know Lenovo always has a great keyboard. Okay, it's very spacious, it's very tactile. Okay, you don't feel cramped on the 14-inch device. Okay, and as you can see, it is backlight. Okay, and here there is the fingerprint here, but it's not a button, so you cannot press anything on it. Okay, let's test some backlight up. Okay, the backlight is very strong, as you can see. Okay, there is a low lighting, it's bright. Okay, this one is off. Okay, wow, the lighting look very nice, even if it's not an multicolor, but it's very bright and clear, and the lighting is very even, as you can see, but there's no lighting around the fingerprint area. Okay, which is not a button, so it is reasonable that it's not gonna lit up. Okay, and you can see, and quickly, as you can see, the screen. Okay, I rotate it up. Okay, boom, wow, here is the screen. Okay, the screen is 2.8K OLED 120 Hz screen with a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, which is very nice for me. I think the old Lenovo Yoga 9 series has a 16 by 9, which is very not good for everyday tasks, especially if you wish to read a lot of document or do some spreadsheet, something like that. Okay, it has a 400 nit of maximum brightness, and it supports Vesa Certified HDR 500. And as you can see, there is plenty port for you to enjoy. Okay, where is it? Here. Okay, let's rotate it up. And here is the left side. As you can see a two USB-C. This two port is the Thunderbolt 4, which is very fast speed. And here you have a one USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, so you don't need a dongle if you need to use some Bluetooth mouse, something like that, a dongle. Okay, and on the right side there is a power button. You have a USB-C 3.2 Gen 1. I think this port support display out, charging, and everything. And yes, you can see in 2024 there is a 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, and these laptops have a Bluetooth, I think it's 5.3, and the Wi-Fi 6E, which is very nice. and it is nice that it has a front camera. Okay, here. Okay, this laptop have a 5 megapixel camera, and it's great that it has a privacy shutter. As you can see, here is the privacy. Boom. Okay, so it is nice. Okay, and this laptop has a 75-watt battery, and you have already have a 65-watt charger for to charge this laptop. Okay, that's all for this unboxing and first impression. Love you all, and bye bye.